Here we go. Do you, when you go to the bathroom, do your friends just come in the bathroom and just talk to you? That's how rich Newport Beach is, by the way. I'm old. I don't get it. If you have not been banned from that account, you are not doing your part. No normal person wants to teach children or talk to children about sex. No normal people.
2 days later, that podcast got pulled down.
Oh, God, this story keeps giving. Okay, number 36. Another reason the assault bike is better than the Echo bike, for those of you who don't fucking know.
So if you haven't already, put it in a second time. Maybe there is just a typo.
Yeah. Sign up for the email twice. Sign your mom up. Sign a friend up. It's nuts, right? Why am I living rent free in your head? Oh, we're cruising. We are cruising.
You know, there's one thing that Dave's done really, really, really well with the games and in regionals and stuff in the past. The fact that it's just never turned gimmicky.
Cow guy. That guy.
Keep tears, man, out your fucking mouth.
Can't just be peeing off people's boats.
They don't want to be the change they want to see in society. It's okay if the government has a little bit of their finger up my ass. Sign up for the newsletter. Love you guys. And booba.